Welcome to At One Go Financial, where we break down real-life financial case studies to help you make smarter money decisions. Subscribe for daily tips, expert guidance, and practical advice to secure your financial future. Today, our topic is 12 shocking daily habits that are keeping you broke and how to fix them fast. We will be uncovering the silent money killers hiding in your daily habits, the ones secretly making you broke without you even realizing it. Let's dive in. 1. The latte factor, the daily RM10 drain. It starts with a harmless RM10 coffee. But do the math, RM10 daily equals RM3600 a year. What if we told you this one small habit could delay your savings goals by years? 2. Subscription overload, the silent budget killer. You're subscribed to Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships, and that random meditation app. The scary part? Most of these are on auto-renew, and you're not even using them. Cancel what you don't use. Audit your subscriptions every quarter. 3. Food delivery, convenience at a cost. Ordering food 3 times a week feels convenient, until you see the RM1000 you could have saved each month. Service charges, delivery fees, tips, they add up faster than you think. 4. Impulse online shopping, one-click regret. Flash sales, Shopee midnight deals, and limited stock traps your mind. Before you know it, you're spending RM500 a month on things you didn't need and don't use. 5. Brand addiction, paying for the label. Generic doesn't mean low quality. Often, you're just paying extra for marketing. Ditch the brand loyalty for everyday items, you'll save hundreds every month. 6. No budget equals no direction. If you're not tracking where your money goes, it goes away. A written budget isn't restrictive. It's the blueprint to financial freedom. 7. Paying extra for convenience. Bottled water. Express parking. Pre-cut fruits. You're paying a premium for what you could do yourself. 8. Credit card misuse. Interest is a trap. Using credit is fine if you pay it off monthly. Minimum payments mean maximum debt. That RM1000 handbag could cost RM1500 after interest. Convenience adds up, and it's draining your account silently. 9. No emergency fund or insurance. Emergencies are expensive. Without savings or protection, one hospital trip can wipe out years of hard work. Don't wait for disaster. Prepare in advance. 10. Emotional spending, a hidden addiction. Retail therapy isn't therapy. We shop when we're sad, anxious, or bored, and it creates emotional debt. Learn your triggers and replace the habit with healthier outlets. 11. Ignoring bank statements, financial blindfolding. Not checking your statements means missed fraud, duplicate charges, and forgotten subscriptions. Always audit your accounts monthly. Know where every ringgit goes. 12. Not investing in financial literacy. You don't know what you don't know. And in finance, ignorance is expensive. One good book or online course can save or make you tens of thousands. Your daily habits define your financial destiny. It's not the big purchases, but the small, repeated decisions that shape your future. Be intentional. Be aware. Be financially unbreakable. And remember, at One Go Financial, we're here to help you take control, one habit at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might be unknowingly going broke. Comment below, which habit are you breaking starting today?